didn't see you there.
Welcome to my channel.
Hey guys, what's up? So today I thought I would do a summer look, something pinky with golds, and I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. So freaking cute, oh my gosh. And I'm going to be using the dupe for the Huda Beauty palette. They look almost exactly the same, so I'm not tripping. I'm excited. Let's do this. Let's talk, let's chat, let's get to know each other, and let's get on into this video. So, first we're going to start off with eyebrows. And, girl, I'm so cheap. I can't be bothered with Anastasia who, Beverly who, I don't know, okay? We got this AOA Studio eyebrow sculpting pencil, and this was $1. I have a Shop Miss A store at my mall, so that's where I get all my Shop Miss A stuff from. And honestly, this is the best brow pencil I've ever used, so I'm gonna continue using it forever. Okay, so now I'm just gonna carve out my brows with some Tarte Shape Tape. Literally the Wonder Cover AOA Studio from when I did my Shop Miss A full face. Honestly, I don't know if this is sad or if I've been using like the wrong product, but this is like the best concealer I've ever used in my life so far. Granted though, I haven't had the chance to use Tarte Shape Tape because it's like what, like $28, $30? But who knows, maybe I'll jump on the bandwagon and you'll see me using it. Okay. Oh my gosh. I really don't know how to do makeup. Is this, what? Is this gonna work out? Wow. This is crazy. Okay, hold on. Quality. Okay. So, I forgot primer. I'm gonna go get some. BRB. So, you know we have to use the best. This was $625. It's made in France by French engineers. They really, you know, the French know how to do it. French bread, French pastries, French fries. Come on. This feels so good, man. Those French engineers really know what they're doing. Okay, primed and prepped. So, let's go in with our $30 foundation, girl. I mean, it's a lot for $30. It's a lot. This is the Dermablend Professional Leg and Body Makeup. I originally got this to cover my tattoos because I had a work interview and I didn't know. Oh my god. I'm supposed to be doing eyeshadow first. Who am I? I literally forget all of the rules of beauty as soon as I turn on this camera. Eyeshadow. So today I'm going to go for like a summery pink, shimmery, golden look, you know. I'm scared. I've never done this look before. I kind of just got on camera and was like, let's do it, you know. I got these brushes from Wish. They're actually really freaking nice, really freaking cute. If you want to know what kind they are, just like comment down below and I'll put their little link to it or whatever. I'm gonna take the darker color of the LOL blush kit that I got from Shop Miss A. This is gonna be really affordable. Most of this look is gonna be affordable, and I'm just gonna use this as my transition shade, by the way. Most of this look is going to be affordable just because I don't have that YouTube money yet, y'all. We don't have it. We're going to. McDonald's, please sponsor me. I love you. Walmart, sponsor me. I'm wearing your shirt. And then we're just going to take a clean, fluffy brush and blend it out. And then we're going to take this cute little eye crease brush from e.l.f. Again, I got this from Shop Miss A as well. And I'm going to go into this color of the Aphrodite palette. If you're trying to recreate this look, which you're probably not, you can probably use the same colors. Look at that pigment, girl. You can probably use the same colors as the Huda Beauty palette, although I think some of them have like different undertones to them. I'm just going to take that brush we were using before to blend out that crease color. But yeah, I think you could use the same color, like the same shades as the Huda Beauty palette if you were to recreate this look. But it would probably end up a little bit different just because they are different palettes. Ew, that looks so bad on camera. Is it bad in real life too? We're gonna fix it, don't worry, don't worry. Okay, so that crease color is in there, so I'm just gonna blend it out real quick. The lashes and liner always fix it, so don't even worry. Okay, so now we're just going to wipe off our brush on our hand. And I'm going to go into this. Wow, that looks brown on camera, girl. Well, it's a red, I promise. It's a little red color. The darker red of the Jaclyn palette. I'm just going to put that on my outer V. Like dab it in and then into my crease. Then we're just going to like pat it a little bit. Blend it out. Ooh. Okay, we're going to take some more of that red shade. We're going to pat it into our outer V and then into our crease.
Wow.
Okay, you guys, you know what I want to talk about? TanaCon. Okay, here's my opinion. I don't think it was Tana's fault. She was just a girl who had a dream, who wanted to make something happen, because she had a little grudge against VidCon, and she wanted to make, you know, a positive experience out of her bad experience by making TanaCon, right? And like a lot of people were on board with it. But the big problem was, who was it, like the Good Time Company, like the people who like hosted the event or whatever? It's their fault. It's their fault that the whole thing flopped, because they're the ones who were basically responsible for like all of the mishaps that happened. Like Tana's just the one who hired them, or who they hired her for the event to take place, you know? And no one's ever heard of them before. Even Shane Dawson made a video about it. He's never heard of them before. And so honestly, y'all, it's not her fault. I don't think it was her fault. I really don't. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with this color right here from the Aphrodite palette. Man, can we talk about aliens, you guys? Can we talk about aliens real quick? The other day, my friend was telling me how he saw this like blinking white light in the sky, and then like all of a sudden it like flew and just disappeared. And I was like, okay, you know, like whatever. He tells me stuff like this all the time. Like he'll see it literally all the time, and I'm like, how, you know? And last night we were walking around in my neighborhood, and he was like, look. And I looked up in the sky, and I see this like small, like faint little light just like cruising, and then it like disappears, and it's really high, and it looks way smaller than an airplane because it's so high. And so in my mind it couldn't have been an airplane just because it was so like small looking from where I was. And so I'm thinking like, what the heck could that be? And then it disappears. It flies into nothing and it evaporates, like, you know, like it evaporated. I don't know how it happened, okay? I don't freaking know. In my inner corner with that same color called Jealousy from the Aphrodite palette. Now I'm gonna try to do a little halo eye moment. Okay, so now for the best part, the shimmer. I'm just gonna take my finger and go into this color called Crush right here. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm just gonna take that on my finger. Oh wait, I'm gonna cut my crease real quick, or like cut my halo. Is that a saying? I'm gonna take a little flirt flake tape. That's what we'll call this, flirt flake tape, because it ain't no tart shape tape.
Come on.
And now for the shimmer. So like I said, we're gonna take Crush. I hope this works out. If it doesn't, I'm gonna cry. Okay. I'm gonna take this color called Jealousy from the Aphrodite palette. Okay, it'll look good with lashes, don't worry, don't worry. So I'm just gonna like soften it a little bit. So now I'm just going to do my foundation. This stuff goes a long way. A little goes a long way. Now onto contour and highlight. But cream contour and highlight, you know what I mean. This is the Muse Cosmetics Lip and Cheek Stick from Shop Miss A. So now that we contoured a little bit, let's put on some concealer. Okay, so now that we're looking like a pale little ghost, let's put on some blush. So it's that same LOL palette from earlier. I hate that name. I hate saying that. I'm literally doing all this. I'm literally doing all this makeup for no reason because I'm not even going anywhere. Okay, I'm gonna push this bake into my face because I hate having bake on my face and I hate talking with it on my face. It feels so freaking ugly and it looks so ugly and I hate it. I think I'm gonna add some of this to the center of my eye look. I feel like being out of order, so let's put on some lipstick. Hey, I kind of want to do freckles, guys. Transition shade that we used on the LOL palette. Put a little AOA Studio Wonder Liquid eyeliner on my top lid. I'm going to take this Sephora brand, the Outrageous Curl Dramatic Volume and Curve Mascara. I'm going to put on the Amelia Lashes by AOA Studio. Someone better pay me for this. So ready for the magic? So we're going to be taking this Wet n Wild Illuminator in the color When the Nude Strikes. Y'all, I swear by this. Boom. Sorry. Alright, alright, alright.